What's up, guys? I'm back for another Blizzard reviews. It's been a while since I made videos about DQ Blizzards, but now here's a new flavor that just came out recently. This one's called Mint Brownie Blizzard. I heard that it's really good. Let's give this a try. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. Yummy new flavor. See, it's made out of chocolate brownies and mint DQ soft serve. You see right here? So here comes another bite. That's yummy. The yummiest Blizzard that I ever tasted. I highly recommend it. Try this Blizzard. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.